Wood is a precious resource, and harvesting it properly is an art. Join LumberPro to discover the technology, techniques, and interesting stories behind each tree. The chainsaw has a compact yet powerful design, with a gasoline or electric engine encased in a durable plastic housing, usually in orange or red. The sturdy handle is covered with a non-slip rubber grip, allowing the operator to hold it securely even while wearing gloves. The chainsaw blade consists of a long metal guide bar with a sharp-toothed chain wrapped around it. When the engine runs, the chain spins at high speed, cutting through it effortlessly. An automatic lubrication system reduces friction and extends the lifespan of the blade. The operator grips the handle firmly, gently pressing the throttle to adjust the cutting speed. As the blade makes contact with the tree trunk, the chain starts slicing through, sending sawdust flying. The machine vibrates slightly with each cut, but the anti-vibration system helps maintain control. As the chainsaw operates, the operator maintains a steady stance, positioning the blade at the base of the tree at the right angle. The fast-spinning chain cuts through the bark first, then gradually moves deeper into the solid wood. A screeching sound emerges as the blade encounters dense wood, but the chainsaw continues working without hesitation. Once the cut is deep enough, the operator adjusts the cutting direction to control the fall of the tree. Finally, the trunk splits and crashes to the ground with a loud boom. Chainsaws are widely used in forestry, construction, and tree trimming operations. Due to their fast and flexible cutting ability, they significantly reduce labor time compared to manual saws. In dense forest environments, chainsaws can handle various types of trees, from softwood to hardwood. Some high-end models are equipped with more powerful engines, allowing them to cut through large diameter while maintaining high efficiency.
Watch out now!
The chainsaw is an essential tool in the logging industry, offering flexibility and power. It enables fast tree cutting, efficient wood processing, and high productivity. However, for safe operation, users must wear proper protective gear and follow safety guidelines. In logging areas, circular saw machines roar as they prepare to take down massive trees in seconds. Their razor-sharp blades spin at thousands of revolutions per minute, slicing deep into the trunk with precision. The sound of cracking wood blends with the engine's roar, forming a powerful symphony of human ingenuity and nature. Once a tree is felled, the next step is limb trimming to refine the log into a clean material. Mechanical arms equipped with smaller saw blades swiftly remove excess branches, cutting each knot with precision. Hydraulic systems allow these robotic arms to move flexibly, trimming at a speed far beyond human capability. Within minutes, the tree is stripped down and ready for the next stage. Long tree trunks cannot be transported as they are, so they must be segmented into standard sizes. Segmentation machines use precise measurement systems to cut logs into pieces suited for specific purposes. Massive circular saw blades spin rapidly, slicing through it effortlessly like a knife through butter, leaving behind clean, sharp cuts. Each section log is neatly stacked, ready for further processing. In the past, workers had to use axes and handsaws to fell trees, trim branches, and segment logs, an exhausting and hazardous task. However, with technological advancements, modern machines not only boost productivity, but also enhance worker safety. Automated sensors, remote control systems, and intelligent designs minimize risks, making logging more precise and efficient than ever before. Thanks to tree cutting machines, the logging process has become faster and more efficient. From massive forest trees to neatly processed logs, each stage of cutting, trimming, and segmenting prepares the wood for manufacturing into useful products. Technology not only enables faster work, but also optimizes wood resources, reducing waste and maximizing the value of every tree harvested. A wood chipper is a specialized machine used to process excess wood, branches, and logs into small pieces for various purposes. Equipped with sharp cutting blades and a powerful engine, it can quickly shred wood into chips or sawdust, maximizing the utilization of forest resources. When wood is fed into the machine, the cutting blades spin at high speed, slicing it into small pieces. These wood chips are then propelled through the discharge chute by a fan, ready for use. This continuous process ensures fast and efficient wood processing. wood chipper, faster processing, reducing labor. White heavy check mark saves storage space by minimizing wood waste. White heavy check mark maximize resource utilization, prevent waste. White heavy check mark wide range of applications in many different industries. Wood chippers are essential in the wood processing industry, maximizing resource utilization and improving production efficiency. With advanced technology, these machines are helping increase productivity while minimizing environmental impact. The tree mulching bulldozer is a specialized heavy-duty machine designed for land clearing, vegetation management, and site preparation. Equipped with a wide blade and a powerful hydraulic system, it effectively pushes, flattens, and grinds down excess trees and dense shrubs. During operation, the bulldozer moves forward slowly, using its blade to push trees and shrubs off the ground. For larger trees, the front-mounted cutter or mulching attachment chops the base, causing the tree to fall. Smaller shrubs and branches are immediately shredded, leaving the land clean and ready for use. This machine is widely used in forestry, agriculture, and construction. It helps clear land for farming, prepares construction sites, and prevents wildfires by eliminating overgrown vegetation. Benefits of the tree mulching bulldozer: high efficiency, quickly clears large areas. Labor saving, reduces the need for manual work. Environmental control, manages overgrown vegetation and reduces wildfire risks. Precious wood from the forest, value from hard work. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell for more adventures.